Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a error ISDone.dll or Unarc.dll when you install big games, when you try to repack large size of the file. So it often happen because of there is some factor. One of the main factor is well installations. If your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may show this error. Here we go. Mostly related to installation of PC games as well as program of large size. So the first method of you can try to press Windows and R button and you can run sysdmcpl. As y as dmcp.cpl, you can enter. Here you can try to click on advanced, click on settings, again click advanced, click change, untick the automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. Then you can click on custom size and you can fill the blank here, initial size and maximum size. And here the 0.5. For most games, 2.5 GB is enough. So the values which will work in most cases is 403,000. Note that the files are in megabytes, so the set maximum paging file size to tune of 3 gigabytes. Here you can set on based on your RAM of your laptop or on your PC. You can calculate. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.